Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair video for you guys. I put some butterfly locks in my hair. I did it myself right after watching a video from the YouTuber Kathryn Bedell. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. So she pretty much taught me how to do these locks through her video. So while I'm editing this video, she just reposted me. So basically that's my sis now. She also taught me how to do my first sew-in back in the day, so if you know who Kathryn Bedell is, you know. But so today I'm going to show you different styles that you can do to your butterfly locks.
Y'all ain't ready for this.
So the first style, of course, is, you know, the little side flip. If I keep looking to the side, it's because my mirror is right here, so don't mind that. But yeah, so the first style is this little side flip, which is really cute. You can also twist it to the side and pin it. I don't have a pin on me right now, but let's just pretend that I do. So you can do this on one side. You can do both sides back, and you can just put a rubber band in it or a clip, whatever you prefer. I think this is really cute. You can do the regular middle part. My hair has been on the side so long that this front lock does not even want to go back to its side that it's originally on. So this lock too, they've been to the side for so long, like they're not even trying to go back. But you can put it back this way with a rubber band, or anything that I use a rubber band for, you can use a clip for. It's really what your preference is. A little fun fact about me, I've never had locks or braids or twists or anything because I always said I don't have the patience to sit there and get them done. But I did this myself, and my first time ever trying any hairstyle, I did myself, and I'm so proud of myself. Like, I don't think y'all understand how proud of myself I am. Like, it took me about 7 or 8 hours because I literally learned and did them in the same day. I don't ever want to go back to like wigs or anything. Like, I just love this hairstyle on me so much. I think I'm gonna do passion twists next, and then maybe I'll go back to my wigs. But yeah, let's keep on going. Leave 2 locks down in the front. And again, pin it back or put a rubber band. You can put it up into a pony at the top. I usually use my cuter scrunchies when I do this style, and I don't tie it around. I literally just sit it right there. This style to me is really 90s and cute. Do it in a bun. And then I would just secure it with a black rubber band. So do those styles without the 2 strands in the front. I'm not gonna actually tie it up this time, but you get the picture. Or you can do the bun. Twist it as you go. You can even just secure it with a longer lock. You can do a whole high pony, which I'm gonna need a bigger rubber band for. My chains do get caught to this hair, which is really annoying. But hey, a high pony with 2 strands down. This is really cute. You can do it with all of it up. Let's just act like that's up in the pony. You can even have 2 going down to the side with this, which I think this is really cute too. You can do a low pony. Side, which this lock clearly just wants to stay to the side right now, but whatever style that I have these 2 hanging down, you can have it side by side. You can also do 2 ponies. I want to leave the curls down for this one. I know I got another curl somewhere around here.
Oh god.
Well, I do recommend using the headband size scrunchies for these hairstyles because let me tell y'all, the regular scrunchies is not gonna do it. Don't mind that this one is white, but yeah. You can also wrap it around into a bun. Yeah, that's some looks that you can do with your butterfly locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.